Hello and welcome to Daily English Pulse. Today's story is called How I Learn English Day by Day. Listen carefully. Imagine the story. Repeat after me. Step by step, your English will grow. The first step. At first, I was afraid of English. I thought it was too hard. But one morning, I made a promise to myself. I said, I will learn English. I will try every day. So I started small. Every morning, I learned 5 new words. I wrote them in a notebook. I read them again before going to bed. Listening practice. Next, I began to listen. I listened to English songs. I watched English movies with subtitles. At first, I understood only a little. But I did not stop. Day by day, my ears became stronger. I started catching words. Then, I started catching sentences. Speaking practice. One day, I looked in the mirror. I said, "Hello, how are you?" It felt strange, but I smiled. Every day I spoke to myself. I practiced greetings. I practiced questions. I even practiced telling small stories. Slowly, my tongue became comfortable with English, reading and writing. After that, I started reading English books. At first, only children's stories. Simple words, short sentences. But little by little, I moved to bigger books. Reading gave me ideas. Writing helped me remember. Every night, I wrote a small diary in English. Learning from mistakes. Sometimes I made mistakes. I said wrong words. I forgot grammar rules. But I told myself, mistakes are teachers. Every mistake showed me a new lesson. I did not give up. I corrected. I improved. Day by day progress. Day by day, my English grew. From words to sentences. From sentences to stories. From stories to conversations. I felt proud. I felt confident. Now I know one secret. Learning English is not about one big day. It is about many small days. Step by step, woord bij woord, day by day. And if I can learn English, so can you. Consistency is the key. Small steps every day lead to big success.